Hello students, we are going to see inventory vouchers in this video. Now let's see what is inventory vouchers. Inventory voucher types. In Tally, there are 18 predefined or built-in voucher types in Tally. These voucher types may pertain to accounting as well as inventory. These are used for recording various types of transactions according to the needs of the user. Tally 9 is pre-programmed with variety of inventory vouchers where each voucher is designed to perform a particular task or a particular job. In Tally, even user can alter these voucher to suit the company or as per the needs of the company. In the same way, we can also go for creating a user-defined voucher also, right? But when we go for creating a user-defined voucher, again this has to be allocated back to 18 predefined voucher types which are provided by the Tally, right? Inventory vouchers are nothing but these are the basic documents for recording inventory transactions. As we know that accounting vouchers will perform the function in accounting system. In the same way, inventory vouchers will perform their function in inventory system. Inventory vouchers are nothing but where we are recording the transactions in inventory voucher types or respective inventory voucher. Accounting vouchers will update only accounts, but whereas inventory vouchers will update both accounts as well as inventory. Inventory vouchers record the receipt, issue of goods or stock, even movement of goods, or it can be transfer of stock or transfer of materials between the locations or between the godowns. Even these things can be shown in Tally. Not only this one, even physical stock adjustments also can be shown. Think that if there is a difference between physical counting and the stock which is appearing in the records. This can be for any of the reason. Even these things can be recorded in Tally, right? Inventory vouchers will not have impact on balance sheet stock figures and as well as the profit and loss account. Then what has to be done, right? In that case, there is an option that is via Tally features or company features by pressing the shortcut key, that will be function key F11, either from accounting features or either from the inventory features. There comes out with the option that is integrate accounts and inventory. This has to be set as. In that case, it fetches or it retrieves the stock or inventory balance figures from the inventory records and provides a drill down to stock registers from the balance sheet. If this is set to no, in that case what happens? This will ignore the inventory book figures and picks up manually entered closing stock balances from the ledger account which is created. Okay. This facilitates the maintaining of accounts and inventory separately. Okay. Next is regarding about built-in inventory vouchers in Tally 9. Okay. We can just hear purchase order, sales order, receipt note, delivery note, rejection out, rejection in, stock journal. Under this again we have intergodown transfer, manufacturing journal, and the last one is of physical stock. The first four, that is purchase order, sales order, receipt note and delivery note, all these vouchers will be covered in the topic that will be order processing system. Under order processing system, we are going to study their purchase order processing and sales order processing. And right now we are going to see what is rejection out and rejection in. Stock journal and physical stock will be covered in the next video. But before we go for rejection out and rejection in, we have to see purchase and sales voucher in invoice mode. Then we will see the practical part of rejection out and rejection in. Okay, now let's see what is rejection out and then in. Rejection out voucher is nothing but purchase returns. The rejection out voucher records goods that are rejected and returned to a supplier. Think that a company has done the purchase of material from the supplier or maybe from the creditor. Due to some reason, maybe defective or faulty or maybe not of good quality, in that case the company may return the goods back to the supplier or creditor. In that case, the transaction will be recorded in rejections out voucher. But by default, this will not be activated. We have to do the activation. How this can be done? This can be done via company features or tally features by pressing the key, that is function key F11. In that we have to go for the second one, that is inventory features. In inventory features, there we have to enable the option that is use rejection inward/outward notes. Right? Now let's see for rejection in voucher, that is for sales returns. A rejection in voucher is used to record goods that are rejected and returned by the customer. Think that a company or the business has done the sale of goods to the customer or maybe the sundry debtor. Okay, the debtor or the customer will return the goods back to the firm or back to the company, maybe stating some reason, right? In that case, a transaction will be recorded in rejection in voucher. Even this will not be activated. We have to do the activation. This already I have told in rejection out voucher. Once we do the activation either for in or out, that is rejection in or out, both will be activated. This has to be done via the tally features or company features. There comes out with inventory features. There we have to enable the option that will be use rejection inward/outward notes. Okay. Now right now we will see the practical part in tally. Okay. We are back to tally. Now we will see how to do the recording in purchase and sales voucher, that is invoice mode. Then later we will be seeing rejection in and rejection out voucher. Okay. Gateway of tally, transactions, accounting, vouchers, right? We will go for purchase voucher, correct? And this is invoice mode, right? Okay. Then we can provide the reference number. I just provide here 1, 2, 3. Parties account name, cash has come. What we will do? We will go for creating this one. I'll see to create. Okay. I just take here ABC. The supplier will be ABC or the sundry creditor will be ABC. Alias will be blank. And this has to be allocated under the group that will be sundry creditors, right? Then later we will save and put back. To save and put back, we will be using the key that will be Control A. Then we have to go for creating purchase account. I'll see to create. Purchase account, and this will be allocated under the group that will be purchase accounts. Then save by pressing Y. Name of the item, I just take here cello. Okay. Godown, in which godown we are going to store? I just type randomly some name. Okay. Okay, already opening entry is passed. That is available in godown D. Right now, the purchase what we are doing, that will be stored in the godown JP Nagar. Okay. Quantity, we will take here 60. Rate per piece will be, I just take here 15. Okay. Okay, we can just see here quantity, rate per piece, units of measure. Okay. Type the narration, later save. Press Y. Okay. The next one is regarding about sales voucher. I think so all can see the pointer sales voucher invoice mode. Okay. We are not providing any reference number. Party's name we will take here XYZ. Okay. To create this one, I'll see XYZ. This will be allocated under the group that will be sundry debtors because XYZ is a customer. Then later Control A to save and put back. Sales ledger, sales account has to be opened here. Alt C to create. This has to be allocated under the group that will be sales account. Then later save. Press Y from the keyboard. Yes, done. Okay. Right now we are selling cello pens. This is available in two different godowns, but we are taking it from JP Nagar. Quantity selling will be 30. Okay. Rate, selling rate will be different. Okay, we have done the purchase for 15 rupees. Right now we are selling it for 30 rupees. Okay. So all can see here the quantity, rate per piece, the total amount. Type the narration. Then save, press Y from the keyboard. Okay. This is done, correct? Okay. Right now we will be back to Gateway of Tally. Then bottom right hand side here we can see tally features or company features because we have to do the activation for rejection in and rejection out. Before we go for activation, we can see here. Let's go back to inventory vouchers. Okay. We can see here stock journal is available, physical stock is available. But rejection in, rejection out is not activated. We have to do the activation, right? In that case, bottom right hand side here we have features, that is, or else we can use the shortcut key that will be function key F11. Just click on this one, right? Inventory features, correct, yes, okay. Then here we can see additional inventory vouchers, use rejection inward outward notes, no is there. Just take the pointer here. The pointer is not going to that one. Then what has to be done? Correct? Just backspace, right? What has to be done in that case? Here, use tracking numbers for delivery note, receipt note. This has to be done S. Once we do S for this one, then only the pointer will be shifted to the this parameter, that is use rejection in out notes, right? Then make it S. Okay. Later we have to save this one. Press Y from the keyboard. Right. Right now it is available. Correct. We can see here rejection in, rejection out is activated. Right now first we will go for purchase returns, that is rejection out. And we can see here the shortcut key also, correct? Rejection out voucher, voucher number is 1. Provide the ledger account. The supplier was ABC, correct? And here supplier name, address also we can just provide here. I just provide here MG Road, okay, then Pune, right? Name of the item was Cello, we have done the purchase, correct? The tracking number, this is 1, it is from the godown JP Nagar. Quantity we are returning 10, automatically it will come the purchase amount, end of the list, correct? Then type the narration, later we have to save this one, accept Y from the keyboard, okay? In the same way right now we will see one rejection in also. Rejection in is for sales returns. Voucher number is 1 and the customer was XYZ, debtor was XYZ. Here also we can provide the name. I just provide here Hubli. Then the name of the item was Cello. The tracking number, this will track your number, that is it will track your sales, and the godown is JP Nagar. The quantity will be, I just take here 5. Rate will come automatically, what is entered via the sales voucher, end of the list. Type the narration, then later save this one by pressing Y from the keyboard. Right now we have seen purchase, sales, voucher, recording in invoice mode. In the same way we have seen rejection out and rejection in. In the next video we are going to see the stock journal, transfer entries, manufacturing. Then in the same way we are going to see the physical stock verification voucher also. Thank you. Have a nice day.